Hi guys, my name is Vladimir and let's take a look how the Welkin Suite UI looks like when you've selected the Declarative Development and Administration layout on the beginning. So I have already opened my project that I have created in the previous part of the tutorial, and this is how the IDE looks like in my case. So I can see here the admin panel, which is like a dashboard or main point for accessing all the declarative development and administrative features. At the same time, if I look down and on this panel, I will see here Solution Explorer, which is more of like a classical representation of your project in the IDE. So you have your project here, you have your different folders, and you can access any file in these folders just like double clicking on it, and you'll have your layout XML opened. In the same way, you can access objects, emails, or anything else that you have included into your project. Of course, you can freely work with both Solution Explorer and Admin Panel, but we think that Admin Panel might be a bit more convenient. In the same place we have Static Resource Bundles Explorer, panel specially for editing your static resources, and the second block of panels is Debug Logs, Find Results, Error List, Build and Deploy Output, and panel with list of my scheduled jobs on the organization. Of course, in the Welkin Suite everything is very customizable, so you can tailor the UI, the workspace, like the best for you. For example, if you don't want to have your main working panel on the left side, you can freely move it to the right side here or this way. You can even undock it at all, so it will be separated from the application, and you can even move it to the next display or anywhere else. But still, I will dock it here. Also, I'll switch here to the admin panel and I can undock Solution Explorer and put it to the left side of my screen. I can hide scheduled jobs, debug logs and all of these panels because I don't need them right now, so I will click here and it will enable auto hide. So the panels will hide in the lower part of the screen, but I still will be able to access them very quickly. If I want to enable other panels, and I believe that you would like to in some cases, just go to the View menu and you will see the full list of panels that the IDE provides you. You can find a lot of interesting things here, like tracking changes. I'll enable it and put it in the lower part of the screen. I can see here task list panel, for example. So spend a couple of minutes, take a look what panels do we have, see if you like them, if you need them, and if you want, just drag and drop them and put them into your layout of the IDE. And the last thing I believe for now is that you can open any of your files. Again, it will fill out all of the space in the IDE. You can of course undock it and put it to the next display, for example, and edit multiple files at the same time. You can pin it back to the IDE, and if you want to work, let's say, in a non-distracted way, just go to View, Full Screen, and you won't see nothing except of your editor and the main menu. So in this case you can work very productively and you'll see a lot of code at the same screen. So thank you very much guys, and the next time we'll check out how we can edit our changes and deploy them to Salesforce.